How to enable notification into your Wise application. Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable your notifications in Wise. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Wise application at very first. Then just simply unlock your Wise application by putting up your biometrics or passcode. Then you just simply have to select this profile picture icon into the top left corner. And after going into your profile section, just simply select this settings under General. After selecting these settings, go to Notification section, which is into General here directly. Now, after tapping there, it will give an option to go to Settings. Tap to that option, and then you will just simply have to enable this toggle for Allow Notification. And after that, your notifications for Wise will successfully be enabled. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.